Hello and welcome to part 1 of my little Vespa video series sampling a Classic Vespa GS 150. We're gonna take a look on installing the floor runner kit on the freshly new painted frame. For the middle floor runners I use these blind rivets. Then I'm creasing the floor runners a little bit. And then I'm inserting the rubber and I cut it into the right length. I cut it about where the free hole is. And the rubbers are elastic, so you can give them a little push to make them hold with these aluminium holders. For the floor runners on the outside, I'm fixing them with M3 screws, and then I'm replacing these screws with aluminium rivets by pressing them together with this plier. These are all original parts, so they fit very good for this frame. I didn't have to adjust them, except for the next floor runner. You can see it now. This is a new floor runner. It took a while to adjust it for this frame, because the profile is much thicker and much stronger from the material to bend and to form into the right place. Also, these two floor runners are original, only polished and cleaned, and of course, I'm using new rubbers. Maybe it costs maybe 17 euros or 20 euros due to inflation. And then for the outer floor runner, I also have this new one. It was a little bit under pressure here, but It holds until now, and that's good. And I say thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.